In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project plan in Smartsheet. So the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to the Home tab, and then you want to click on Start a New Project, Program, or Process, and then click on that. And then from here, you'll have a bunch of different templates. Now, of course, you could do this from scratch, or of course, you could also create a project plan with this simple project plan template over here. So if you want to do that, just click on it, and then it's going to load up a bunch of different things, and just click on Create from template, and it's going to load for a few seconds. It's going to create your template in the back, and then when that's done, you'll be able to see your workspace over here, and that's what it's going to look like. So it's going to be named Simple Project Plan. Okay, so as you can see here, it says begin here, checklist, and then this is your checklist. You can go ahead and add in your tasks, your images, descriptions. You could go ahead and edit here whatever you want, and basically start creating your project plan like this. You could go into the project dashboard over here on the left, and then you can basically see your dashboard, which is just kind of a, it's just like a template. You could go ahead and edit this, you can move it around, you can do whatever you want with that, and you could also go inside the task tracker over here on the left, where basically you can track your tasks. Okay, so that's basically the template that's going to get created, and you can go ahead and start by creating your project plan in here. Of course, you could also start adding in new workspaces like sheets, reports, dashboard, forms, etc., and then via that, you can of course create your perfect project plan for your situation. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.